Hi, welcome to this tutorial on how to fix S-spring press studs with a green machine. First, we'll start off with a 3mm cutting die. So your base die will look like this. And that goes into the bottom of the machine. Your top die is going to look like this. And that screws in to the top of the machine. I'll take some leather that we have and we'll punch 2 holes. And we'll swap our dies out. First die we'll use is this one for our cap. Now our cap is what's going to fit on top of that. Our top die that we'll use is this. And this is for our socket. This is our socket. And that pushes up into the top die. I'll put my leather over the top of the cap. We'll push down. We'll swap the dies over again. We're going to switch to this die, which is going to be for our post. This is what your post will look like. And then our final die will look like this. This is for your stud. Just like the socket, the stud will also push up into the top die. Again, we'll place the leather over the top and push down. That's it, there you have it.